Good afternoon, children. We have learnt what is a prime number and composite number in the last class. When you have only two factors, we call that number as a prime number. When you have two or more factors, we call that number as a composite numbers. And next, to find prime factors, we are going to follow two methods. One is by prime factorization. We will do long division method and we will find the prime factors, and also an alternate method also we have. One is factor tree method. These are the two methods we are going to learn in this exercise. Your exercise number 4.1, find the prime factors by repeated division method. So using division method we are going to find prime factors. Your first question, 22. So we have to do it by division method. Have to start with the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. So we are going to start with the 2. In 2 table, 22 will come 11 times. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. So it is your 11 times. Again 11 is a prime number. It will come in only one table and 11 table. So 11 table 1 times. You received 1, so you are going to write 22 as 2 into 11. So for 22, you will be writing it as a factor of 2 into 11. Third sum, I have selected 35. Since it is in 35, then a unit digit ends with 5. It will not come in 2 table. We can opt with 5 table. And 3 table it's not possible, and 7 table. So first you can do it by 5 table also. If you do it by 5 table, it will come 7 times. Again by 7 table 1 time. So both the procedure is correct. So 35 we can write it as prime factor as 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 110. We are going to start with the lowest prime number. 2 table. 5 2s are 10. If you subtract 11 minus 10, you have 1 remaining. So carry over again 10. 5 2s are 10. 55. Since you have 5 in the unit digit, we are going to check it by 5 table. 5 table 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5. 11. 11 will come only in 1 table and 11 table. So it is only prime number 11 1 time. So 110 can be written as 2 into 5 into 11. 11th problem, 120. So we are going to do it by long division. We are going to start with the lowest prime number 2. 1 is smaller, so taking 2 digit 12. 6 2s are 12. Bringing the 0 same as it is. Again 2 table 3 2s are 6. Writing the 0. Again 2 table 1 2 is 2. Carry over 1. 10 5 2s are 10. 3 table 5 3s are 15. 5 will come only in 5 table and 1 table. So 5 table 1 time. 120 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 as the prime factors. The remaining problems in the same exercise, you are going to do it as homework. So I have solved problem number 1, problem number 3, problem number 11, problem number 6. Remaining as your homework. And problem number B, we are going to learn find the prime factor using factor tree method. What do you mean by factor tree? We will be learning this from example problem. Express 72 as a product of prime by factor tree method. Divide 72 with the smallest prime factor. So whenever you have a prime number, you are going to split that prime number with the smallest prime number and with its multiple. After that, next find the smallest prime number of 36. 2 you cannot split. Only 1 and 2 table it will come. Other than any other table it will not come. So we will be leaving that number and splitting 36. Again you have 2. Splitting 18. Then splitting 9. 3. 3 is the prime number. So we are stopping with it. So these are the prime numbers 2, 2, 3. Continue dividing by the smallest prime factor in every step. Stop when you get only prime numbers. When you arrived at the prime numbers, you are going to stop it. The same model we are going to proceed. 42. I'm going to write 42 as 2 into 21. When you multiply 2 into 21, you will be getting 42. So 2 is a prime number, we are leaving smallest prime number, we cannot further split it, so we are leaving it. Then coming to 21, we can split 21 as 7 3s are 21. Now again 7 is the lowest prime number, we cannot split. Again 3 is also lowest prime number, we cannot split. So what are the answer? 42 can be written as 2 into 7 into 3. See prime factors. Next problem 25. 25 will come in 1 table, 5 table, 25 table. So we are going to split 25 as 5 5s are 25. 5 is the smallest prime number, we cannot split it more. So our answer is 25 is equal to 55 into 5. Next question is 62. 62 we can split as 2 into 31. 2 is the smallest prime number and 31 is also a prime number. We cannot split it, so we are stopping with this and we are writing 62 as the prime factor of 2 into 31. 78. 78 can be split as 2 into 39. 2 is a prime number, smallest one, we are leaving it as it is 39. 3 into 13. 13 3s are 39. Again 3 is the smallest prime number, 13 is a prime number, we are leaving as it is and writing the answer is 78 is equal to smallest prime number 2, 3, 13. 99, your next question is 99 can be written as 3 into 33, again 33 can be split as 3 into 11, so your answer is 99 is equal to 3 into 3 into 11. So easy problem, my dear children. So finish the remaining problems as your homework. The problem B. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Send the photocopy of your homework problems as well as complete your class works. Thank you, students.